Good afternoon, traders. This is Brian Weber from technicalanalysis.research.com. This is just an update for our technical analysis video that I posted this morning on the Systems for Traders website and on YouTube. So early this morning, I was pinpointing, it was around here that we actually made the video on the morning analysis, and we were indicating that the market was looking very bearish leading up to the European London session open, as the Asian session was pretty much looking bearish at this point. Okay, and so we were looking at a couple of different areas. Our significant area was the 131.29, and it still is a significant area. If this level gives way, then we'll probably will see the 31.100. And further down at the 130.58 zone. But again, on the morning analysis, I commented if this 131.60 level had given way, then we should take a short trade down to the significant area at 131.29. As you guys can see here, that level did give way, and we have just recently hit that 131.29 area for a 30 pip scalp trade down just between this support and resistance zone. And again, the 131.29 level is our significant area. Okay, so that's our main area for today. If this level gives way, then the 130.100 followed by the 130.58 zones will be the targets. But as I mentioned again on my morning report, we should trade a break of that 131.60 level down towards that 130.129 level, and that has duly done its job and produced a 30 pip trade there. So again, if that 31.29 level does give way, then we will look to trade that down towards that 130.100 level. And then if that gives way, then we'll look to trade that down towards the 130.58. And the North American session is due to start not about an hour's time or so, the interbank session. Okay, so we may see some momentum coming in the market. Now, if we do see any bullish movements, what we will really need to see for, again, first of all, let me clear up on the morning analysis before the 131.60 level gave way. What I was saying on the morning analysis was we would have to see a move back above the central pivot and that to hold as support before we could go long for any bullish momentum to come in the market. But now that we have saw the 131.60 level give way here, what we would really need to see now that the resistance level has moved down, we'd have to see a move back above that 131.60 level and that to hold as support before we could go long again. Okay, so that's really the update here. We made 30 pips on this move here, but for any bullish momentum that coming in the market, this would really have to hold support. We'd have to see a move back above that 131.60. Hold as support, come back, retest it as support, and then move up, get the buy signal to go long here. Okay, to confirm that there was a trend reversal intraday. This is pretty much just reversed the whole of Friday's gains. We had a really nice uptrend on Friday, but as you guys can see here, the euro dollar is pretty much just reversed 100% of those gains and came back to pretty much where it started on Friday. So 100% retracement. So for a bullish reversal trend intraday, a move above the 131.60, come back, retest it as support, and then get the buy signal to go long. But just a break of this 131.29 would open the door for the 130.100 and possibly the 130.58 zone as possible profit targets to the downside. But so far today we made 30 pips on the euro just from this little move on the break of this 131.60 down to the 131.29 zone. Okay, so a pretty good day so far on just based on the euro itself, 30 pips. And potentially another 30 pips down to this zone for 60, and if this zone breaks, another 40 pips down to the 130.58, which will give about a 100 pip trade all in on the course of the day. But again, if we are going to see some bullish momentum, really this support point has to hold and a move above the 131.60, hold it as support, buy signal, and then we can get to go long. But if you do not see that, then obviously stay tuned for a break of that 131.29 level and then look to get short in the market. Okay, guys, have a great trading day or a continued great trading day.